As soon as you think that I tried that, but it was a total failure, then all of a sudden you start rationalizing, and your mind will play tricks on you because all of a sudden now everything is a failure. You rationalize that to this one thing happened, now all of a sudden it's everything. Now, I've been through there many, many times in my life. I have also presented in a corporate environment positive mindset courses. Now, I'm the guy that's supposed to know, but I'm here to tell you that all of us fall back into self doubt. That's just human because we get a lot of knocks, and it depends how emotionally strong we are and how many of those knocks we can withstand. But everybody's got its price. And sometimes the knocks are just so much that you just go and sit down and you just want to give up because whatever you have tried have failed. And you go to yourself, but I can't take another knock. I'm done now. I'm ready to quit because that's easy. Just say, this is it.